In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you step by step, guys, how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $7,510 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will still get more commission, of course, so it can be up to 10k this month, okay, hopefully. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to Fiverr, scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you will do next, you will click on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country, choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to YouTube. Okay, so we will use YouTube to see what people are searching for. Okay, and we will choose a profitable and interesting services that people are searching for. Okay, so why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links? So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? Millions of people every single day are searching using YouTube and searching for specific topics, services, products, and so much more. Okay, that's a big number. You can get so much traffic from YouTube. So I know people making millions every single month just from affiliate marketing, okay, using YouTube, just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search, okay, and ask question. Okay, so I will ask, for example, how to promote YouTube video, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. So people who have small YouTube channels, they are searching for how to promote YouTube video on Google Ads, how to promote YouTube video on Instagram, how to promote video on Google Ads. So let's take this topic. I will go, so how to promote YouTube video on Google Ads. I will go to Fiverr. Okay, go to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for YouTube video promotion Google Ads. Okay, search for this keyword, YouTube video promotion Google Ads. Scroll down. So people who are searching for this keyword, how to promote YouTube video on Google Ads, they will be interested to buy this service, okay, from your affiliate link, because they want to get more views, more subscribers, and they want to grow their YouTube channels. So a lot of people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on, so let's choose, for example, this one. This seller is looking good, he has almost 5 stars. This service is starting just from $10. I will click on his service. So you just need to click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay, like this. Click over here and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So before we do that, let's go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his video.
Are you looking for a YouTube video promotion with Google?
This video looking really good. Double click and save video, okay? Save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it video promotion. Save, okay? So what you will do next, you will go to Google and search for Canva, okay? Search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload this video, okay? Upload this video to your Canva account. Click on open, your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, I will use this one. So just click on the text, I will delete this part and make this text small like this and double click and write this sentence: check link in description, okay? Check link in description like this. Okay, check link in description and go to element, click on shape, okay, like this. And put this shape like this, okay? So to make this title looking good, okay, check link in description, it's looking good. So now it's good.
Are you looking for a YouTube video promotion with Google Ads? Then you are in the right place. And welcome to your professional ad service.
So what you will do, you will click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then go back to your YouTube channel, upload this video, okay? And in your YouTube title, put this keyword, okay? How to promote YouTube video on Google Ads. Just copy and paste this title and put this title in your YouTube title, okay? So people who are using those keywords, they are searching and using this keyword, how to promote YouTube video on Google Ads, they will find your video in your YouTube search result, okay, like this. They will watch your video, check this, see this, check link in description, they will check your YouTube description, and you will go to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, okay, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, okay? That's how we can promote affiliate links on YouTube. It's super easy, guys. Just create YouTube channel for free. So for people who don't know how to do it step by step, so just I will leave a link in my YouTube description below, so you guys just need to check and watch the video in my link in my YouTube description, showing you step by step how you can add your affiliate links in your YouTube description and how you can publish this video on YouTube. It's super easy and simple, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, just leave it in the comments. You need to stay consistent, you need to work hard, you need to promote a lot of affiliate links, or of course you need to choose just specific services that people are searching for on YouTube. You cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. I will still share with you guys a lot of profitable affiliate services that I was promoting on YouTube. and I will also share with you new method, new affiliate links, and so much more. Okay, see you in my next video.